Waking up to a cup of coffee for few is the best feeling. Coffee is the largest consumed beverage around the world. iCoffee is the revolutionary product from Indus Viva which helps support your healthy blood sugar levels. Is diabetes life-threatening? Yes, it is a disease in which the sugar levels needs to be monitored and controlled on a regular basis, keeping in mind the diet, lifestyle, and finally resort to medicines, where preventing the advancement of the disease and its complication is also crucial. Diabetes is a disease with multifactorial etiology. Diabetes is fast gaining the status of a potential epidemic in India, with more than 62 million people diagnosed with the disease, making India known as the diabetes capital of the world. The pandemic of diabetes is expected to reach approximately 80 million people in India by 2030. A person is diagnosed as a diabetic if the fasting sugar levels are more than 126 and the postprandial sugar levels are more than 200, and also known to be pre-diabetic if the fasting blood sugar levels are in between 100 and 125 and the postprandial sugar levels are in between 140 to 199. The classical symptoms of diabetes include polyuria, which is increased urination, polyphagia, which is increased hunger, and polydipsia, which is increased thirst. Diabetes is of three types. Type 1 diabetes, also referred to as insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus or juvenile diabetes, results from failure of pancreas in producing enough insulin. Type 2 diabetes mellitus or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus or adult onset diabetes begins with insulin resistance, a condition in which cells fail to respond to insulin properly. Gestational diabetes occurs when pregnant women without a previous history of diabetes develop high blood sugar levels. Diabetes is a disorder with numerous complications including neuropathy, nephropathy, retinopathy, cardiovascular disease, stroke, obesity, sexual dysfunction, and non-healing wounds leading to gangrene and even amputations. Synthetic anti-diabetic medicines available in the market today only provide palliative relief from the condition. Recurrence and impairment in sugar levels are almost certain with these drugs. In addition to this, these so-called anti-diabetic drugs pose a lot of side effects as well. This is where Indus Viva's iCoffee creates its magic. Its scope as a routine anti-diabetic functional health beverage is incredible. Indus Viva's iCoffee is a premium blend of coffee extracted from superior coffee beans sourced from Coorg region in Karnataka. iCoffee is an elixir for people with prediabetes, diabetes, and also best for healthy people. iCoffee is a unique composition of botanical extracts which includes salsitol, coffee bean, and mucuna. Salsitol is special ingredient derived from well-known anti-diabetic herb Salacia reticulata, the wonder herb for optimum glycemic control, which is also known for its effectiveness against maladies of diabetes. Polyphenols and mangiferin supports healthy blood sugar levels. It effectively improves insulin resistance, glucose metabolism, and supports healthy blood sugar management. Salsitol is a carbohydrate blocker. It prevents the conversion of polysaccharides to glucose. Salsitol understands the body's requirements of carbohydrates and blocks excessive carbohydrates, whereas synthetic medicines can only reduce the blood sugar levels, which can fluctuate according to carbohydrate intake. Apart from its anti-diabetic potential, salsitol has abundance of antioxidants which helps rejuvenate damaged cells, reduce cholesterol levels, improve alertness and stamina. iCoffee also contains mucuna prurens, commonly called cowhage, which shows anti-stress and antioxidant benefits. Coffee itself contains polyphenols known for their antioxidant benefits. The best time to consume iCoffee is half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. It can be safely consumed by all age groups and for longer periods without adverse effects. Replace your regular coffee with iCoffee without compromising the authentic taste of coffee.